This affluent society have become blasé and bored with life. Things are just too easy in the Kavango Basin. They no longer have a zest for living like their country cousins out there in the inhospitable desert. Here, life offers no challenge, and many of them have become slobs and easy riders. The only excitement in their lives comes in high summer when the marula trees are in full fruit. At first, the marulas are very tasty and hard to get at. You have to be either agile or strong to get your share. But after a few weeks, the marulas get overripe and they start dropping from the trees. Then all the animals wade in and gorge themselves on the rotting fruit. It starts fermenting in their tummies and turns into a very potent brew. So on the way home, things start happening to them. When night falls, there's peace again. A very blissful peace. Of course, not everybody in the Kavango leads a wasteful life.